or origin has been detected over the region of Somorset. It is advised that you take shelter immediately and ensure that you have enough food or water to last upwards of 3 days. Once you have the necessary supplies and you have taken shelter, please contact local authorities and notify them of your location for emergency reasons. Please ensure that you have water and healthy as well as filling foods. The Pacifidian Ministry of Defense will release a broadcast not long after this EAS is triggered. Sit tight and please be patient.